Hey guys, welcome to MyAirbags. I'm Eli, and today we are removing the SRS control unit on this Honda Pilot. The first step is here on the passenger side. We have this little foot panel here that's being held down by a few clips, and you can simply apply pressure and remove them. On this panel here, it's being held down in the similar manner by the clips. And here on the driver's side, we're going to do the exact same procedure. Here you can clearly see the module. It's this metallic silver box right here at the front of the center console under the radio console. You want to make sure that you disconnect the battery first before you work on this module. You want to disconnect the battery, wait about 20 minutes, then disconnect the plugs here out front, the harness. You can go ahead and use a little flathead to go ahead and press down on this little piece here that's holding it at the top. And then simultaneously go ahead and grab the lever that's holding it down and pull it out. We're going to go ahead and remove the bolts holding down the module, 2 on the passenger side, 1 on the driver's side, and they're being held down by a T30. So you're going to use a T30 bit as well as a low profile socket wrench to get into this tight space here. When a car gets into an accident, there's 3 main components that need to be addressed: the airbags, the airbag computer module, and the seatbelts. Any deployed airbags must be replaced with new airbags. You can buy a new airbag module. The problem is that they're pretty expensive brand new, and used modules require hiring a technician to go in and program the module to your car. In other words, you have to marry the new module to your car. Here at MyAirbags.com, we work closely with body shops, collision shops, and salvage rebuilders in all 50 states. Instead of buying a new airbag module, we can actually reset your original airbag module. In other words, we can clear it of all codes, and because it's original to your car, programming is not necessary. Number 3, seatbelts. Seatbelts also deploy and they throw a trouble code. Instead of buying expensive replacements, you can actually send in your deployed seatbelts along with your module. Our seatbelt techs are licensed and they hold an ATF certification. This means that after your seatbelts are refurbished, they will work again as designed. They will deploy in another accident event. If you want to know more, just click on the link in the description below or just go to MyAirbags.com. After removing the airbag module and seatbelts, you can send it to MyAirbags.com for reset. Go to MyAirbags.com, select your year, make, and model, then add the repair service to your cart. Print the label in your order, tape it to the box, and drop it off at any delivery location. If you need seatbelts or any other SRS parts repaired, you can send them in the same package and order. You won't be charged until after MyAirbags has reset your module and seatbelts. Once we receive your module and seatbelts, our turnaround time is 24 hours. We get them in and out.